subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day.
Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will learn another short vowel which is called Dammah, which is used above the letters. It looks like Arabic letter Wow, which you have learned earlier in first lesson the Arabic alphabets. It's called Dammah, Arabic short vowel. So this is Dammah. If I use it with Alif, it will make the sound U. If I use it with Ba, it makes the Bu sound. And if I use it with Ta, it makes Tu sound. So I hope you got the point, and now I will use it with Arabic alphabets so that you will understand better. Let's start. U, U, Bu, Bu, Tu, Tu, Thu, Thu, Ju, Ju, Hu, Hu, Khu, Khu, Du, Du, Zu, Zu, Ro, Ro, Zu, Zu, Su, Su, Shu, Shu, Fu, Fu, Dhu, Dhu, Tu, Tu, Zu, Zu, U, U, Ghu, Ghu, Fu, Fu, Ku, 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 Lu, Lu, Mu, Mu, Nu, Nu, Wu, Wu, Hu, Hu, You, You. So that's what I mean. And when you see this mark on any Arabic word or letter, you will understand that it makes always U, Bu, Tu sound from down to up. If you enjoyed this lesson, then like and share with your friends and family. And of course, subscribe to Language Animated channel for more Arabic lessons. Thanks for watching.